Have you ever had an amazing idea for a kid's story? Maybe a clumsy elephant or a space-traveling penguin, but you stopped because you thought, I don't know how to animate 3D characters. Well, stop stopping, because today we are going to fix that. The world of AI animation has changed fast. You don't need a studio, you don't need a degree in physics, and you definitely don't need to spend 6 months rendering one scene. We are going to build a complete, professional-looking 3D animation from scratch. And the secret? It's not about the tools you use. It's about the order you use them in. By the end of this video, you'll be creating some...
Meet Barnaby. He's a small, fluffy bear with a very big dream. Every day, Barnaby watches the ballet dancers move and spin. They look light, graceful, and brave. Barnaby wishes he could dance like that too.
This entire
But ballet
story,
feels a little
starting with
scary.
a blank page and ending with a finished movie file. And we're going to do it using a workflow that keeps you sane, organized, and creative. Here's the biggest mistake beginners make. They jump straight into the image generator. They start making random pictures of elephants before they even know what the elephant is doing. That is a recipe for disaster and a really weird-looking elephant. Today, we're using the brain first, tools last method. This Google document right here, this is the boss. This is the creative brain. We're going to plan everything, the story, the script, the camera angles, the prompts right here inside this doc using ChatGPT as our assistant. We won't touch Whisk, Grok, or ElevenLabs until we have a foolproof plan. Trust me, this saves you hours of frustration. Step 1 is the idea. Open up the Google Doc linked in the description. Scroll to the title and concept section. We aren't just going to ask AI to make a video. That's boring. We need a spark. So I'm going to type in my rough idea. A baby elephant who wants to dance ballet but is too clumsy. Now, copy the title generator prompt from the doc and paste it into ChatGPT with your rough idea. Look at that. It takes my simple thought and expands it. Barnaby's Big Ballet, the Stomping Swan Lake. I love Barnaby's Big Ballet. It sounds cute and marketable. We're locking that in. Copy that title and paste it back into your Google Doc. This is our North Star. Now that we have a title, we need a story. Not just random scenes, but a beginning, middle, and end. Copy the script generator prompt from the Google Doc. This prompt is engineered to tell ChatGPT exactly how to write for animation. Short sentences, visual actions, and clear dialogue. Paste it into ChatGPT. Boom! It's writing the full narration for us. It's describing Barnaby trying to pirouette and crashing into a tree. It's funny, it's sweet, and it fits our timeline. Read through it. If a joke doesn't land, change it here. Remember, changing text is free. Changing animation later costs a headache. Once you're happy, copy this script and paste it into your Google Doc. We have a script. Now we need to visualize it. But we aren't generating images yet. We are generating prompts. Copy the image prompt generator instruction from the Google Doc. Paste it into ChatGPT. You need to decide how many scenes you want. For a video like this, maybe 8 to 10 distinct scenes. ChatGPT is now writing detailed descriptions for every single shot. It's defining the lighting, sunny jungle morning, the camera angle, low angle to make Barnaby look big, and the style, 3D Pixar-Style render. It ensures Barnaby looks consistent in every shot. Copy these prompts back to the doc. See the pattern? We are building a blueprint. This is the final planning step, and it's the most important one for 3D animation. We need to tell the AI how to move. We also need to flag which shots require Barnaby to speak because we'll be using Grok's lip sync feature for those moments. Copy the animation prompt section. ChatGPT will now take your image prompt and add motion instructions like Barnaby spin slowly to the left or zoom in on face as he speaks. It creates a perfect list. Scene 1, wide shot, no talking. Scene 3, close up, Barnaby speaks. This clarity is gold. Copy it all back to the doc. Our blueprint is complete. The thinking part is done. Now we get to play. It's time to build. We're going to use Whisk AI for our images because it handles that cute, soft 3D aesthetic perfectly. Open Whisk, go to your Google Doc, copy the prompt for scene 1 and paste it. Hit generate. Oh, look at him. He's adorable. If the first result isn't perfect, just re-roll. Once you have your images for all 10 scenes, save them. Now, the magic. Movement. We're heading over to Grok AI. Upload your image of Barnaby. For the scenes where he's just dancing or falling, paste your motion prompt. Watch this. Incredible. But what about when he talks? For those scenes, upload the image to Grok, but this time enable the lip sync feature. You can upload a temporary audio file or type the text he speaks just to get the mouth moving correctly. Grok matches the mouth shape to the words. It brings him to life instantly. Finally, the voice of our story. Go to ElevenLabs. We want a warm, friendly narrator, like a storybook grandpa or a cheerful guide. Select a voice, paste your narration script from the Google Doc, and generate. Perfect. Clear, crisp, and full of emotion. We have the puzzle pieces, now let's build the puzzle. Open CapCut. Drag in your voiceover first. This sets the pace. Then drag in your Grok animation clips to match the story. Since we planned everything, scene 1 audio matches scene 1 video. Perfectly. Add a little background music, something whimsical, and some sound effects. A thud when Barnaby falls makes it funny. A whoosh when he spins makes it dynamic. Check the lip sync scenes. Make sure the audio aligns with his mouth moving. CapCut makes it super easy to trim and slide things around. And there you have it. You didn't just make a video, you crafted a story, you built a character, and you did it without stressing out because you let the Google Doc be your brain. If you make a story using this workflow, please tag me. I want to see your clumsy elephants and space penguins. If this workflow helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials that make AI easy. The Google Doc template is linked below. Go create something awesome. I'll see you in the next one.